sauce, too much sauce.
We're gonna start this morning and go get some chocolate and churros because the ones we had last night weren't enough. We're at San Guinness, which is the most famous place in Madrid to get chocolate and churros. And this is actually a very, very typical breakfast. Once you place your order inside, you give your receipt to the waiter. The waiter then goes inside, gets your order, and brings it out to your table.
The secret of the churro is simple. You want to have it light, crunchy, a little doughy, and the chocolate almost like a Hershey's syrup consistency, just thick as hell. So their churro process is a little bit different. Instead of frying just the sticks, the chef in the back will have this twisting mechanism contraption that's dumping the churro batter in a spiral pattern. They flip it a few times to get the perfect fry, put it out, the waiters come, break off the pieces, and then it goes to the table. Shout out to the churro chef.
We're in Puerta del Sol, which is also known as the Gateway of the Sun, looking for this spot on the ground that is known as Kilometer Zero.
What it is it's a measurement for the start of Spain's 6 national roads. All starts right here, basically ground zero. Is it worth coming to see? You can probably skip it.
Not gonna lie, Puerta del Sol is a great place to come people watch and character watch, if you know what I mean.
Even if you don't come to Kilometer Zero, come here to see all the street performers. There's a lot of interesting, to say the least, things happening in the square right now. Side note for all these street performers, if they take pictures with you, they're going to charge you. Be wise.
Located right outside of Plaza Mayor is Mercado de San Miguel. We're gonna go in. Lots of different stalls in here offering everything from olives to various tapas to fresh meats and lots of drinks, but it is a little more on the expensive side.
It's not one of the cheaper markets that we've been to, but oddly enough I'm okay with that, because anytime that you can bring together the locals, the tourists alike, and put them in the same melting pot, have them share stories, laugh over some locally made food and drinks, that's traveling. We're gonna try to find a tapas option that's a little bit more economical. And that's really the great thing about this city, is you can savor it by going from one place to the other, getting small little portions.
There are tapas everywhere, and it seems to be the thing to do. We're at El Tigre. Seems like the place to come. There are not seats, so you do have to stand kind of around the edge, but seems like a great deal.
For €10, we got 2 large beers and a ton of food. The place was kind of grimy.
Dirty.
Which is just like the bars I like, so A+. The food comes in abundance with drinks, so A+. The beer's good, so A+. And the bartenders are really wavy, so A++. Definitely go there.
We're going somewhere that's a little different. It's a ghost metro station.
Spooky.
I hope it's open.
Here we are again. 3rd day, 3rd chance to mess up. Jennifer, where are you going? The face of embarrassment. Bring it over here. Jennifer, what happened? Tell the audience, please.
You can get there this way.
Jen, we're not going through that steel grate. What happened? Jennifer, how many times do you say you checked? This is getting a little silly.
We're not open on Tuesdays.
Jennifer.
Okay, so we were supposed to go on Sunday, and then I moved it because we started doing other things.
Little silly.
I promise you, I didn't know.
All right, we gave her a chance, but I think Jen's suspended from planning cities from now on. So what now? What do we do now, Jen? What's next on your list that's probably closed?
It's not closed. It's out in the open. Now we're gonna go to Plaza de San Ildefonso. Follow me.
We're gonna play a new game starting now. Each time Jennifer's wrong about something, she's gonna style her hair a particular way. The next time she's wrong, I'm feeling a little Lara Croft Tomb Raider. So let's see when that'll happen.
So, this building that is right behind me is supposed to be covered in graffiti. It's not. It's located at 16 Camp Amor, and it has since been painted, and it's completely white, and it's just like any other building in the city. It's a nice building though.
Very helpful, Laura. What's the next spot?
Her name is Julia, and the reason why she's important is because she dressed like a man in order to attend the University of Madrid.
But what she's wearing right now is definitely not manly. She's got a, what is that, a pencil skirt? And what's the top? She's got a top and a pencil skirt on.
A top. Called it a top.
Yeah, it's a top and a pencil skirt.
A blouse, maybe? This line is ridiculous. So we're gonna stand in it. We're outside the gate right now, admiring it from a distance.
We're like prisoners on the outside looking in.
We can see it from here, it looks great.
Upside, there's this really cool garden right next door to it, which is free to roam through, and it kind of looks like a maze. Alright, it's been a long day. We're closing out at Templo de Debod, which is an Egyptian ruins that are stacked up here in the city, and they have amazing sunsets.
Oh my god. No thanks. No.
What's the matter, Yenny?
There's spiders.
Jen, you have toilet paper on your shoe. Please, Jen, fix yourself. My God. Jen, it's on your other shoe now. Jesus Christ. Should we make her style her hair again? I'm thinking something on the lines of like Cousin It.